All right, hello everyone. It's Miss Wickstrom. I'm back here again doing another word building activity slash video for you. So in my previous one, I said that you could sound the words out with me. You could just listen and follow along. You could write the words down. So I had some parents reach out if they have magnetic letters at home and maybe they do have a whiteboard. You could use a cookie sheet or you can build the words on the fridge, kind of like the background that I have set up here for you. Absolutely. Go ahead. Feel free to try and make it your own. Try to make it interactive and fun for your kids and engaging. So if you have letters, or if you want to cut out letters or use stickers, go for it. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and get started. We are again reviewing that short A sound, the ah. We've been working on this in class. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next word family, which is the ending AP. So again, A makes the ah sound and P goes P. We put those two sounds together and we have the app ending for our word family. So I'm going to go ahead again, I'm going to start building words. Your student can follow along, sound them out, stretch them out, blend them with me. So we're going to go ahead and get started.
C A A P.
Okay, so we have k, a, p. We blend these sounds together and we have cap.
S A P.
S, a, p, sap. Good.
R A P.
Okay. One thing I really want to point out about this word for rap is the R makes an sound. It's a little bit more difficult for the students to understand. It does not go r, it's a, p, rap.
M A P.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and give some time here for your student to try and stretch and blend this word. Alrighty, so we have a, p, map. Good job, guys. We'll go ahead and do a few more here. Oops, hold on one second.
L A P.
So a, p. I'll let them go ahead and blend those sounds together. The word is lap.
Z A P.
And another thing I want to point about this word is Z goes Z, not Z. We have a few friends in class who are still going Z. It's Z, Z, a, p, zap. And our last word here,
Teat. A P.
I'll give them some time to go ahead and stretch out and blend this word. The word is tap. All right, everyone, that is the last word that we are building for our AP ending, our app word family. Again, some things I just want you to take away from this. We're continuing to work on the short A sound, that ah, right? T, ah, p, okay? Stay tuned. I'll be posting more videos for short A.